Hello everyone. Okay, so if you have been following Logan and I for a little bit now, you know that in our last vlog, we rented a camper van up in Colorado, and we have been wanting to get one of our own for quite some time now. So today's a really big day because we finally found a van for ourselves to convert into a tiny home. So I'm going to kind of rewind you guys a little bit to kind of see how the whole process was and all that, and then you can see the van. So let's go ahead and rewind this just a little bit.
Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. This is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh.
So once Logan and I got to the dealership, we kind of already had this van picked out and ready to go. All we really had to do is just see it for ourselves in person and test drive it, make sure that it was exactly what we wanted, and to sign the papers. So this is kind of our initial reaction seeing it in person. So we're about to test drive it, and then you'll see we're going to sign the papers and be all ready to go.
Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh,
oh. I'm spending money like I just got paid. $100 bills, tell them keep the change. Come on. Pop a bottle, about to make it rain. Let me give you something now to celebrate. Come on.
We got the keys!
And if you're wondering why I move the way I do, I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, 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 I just feel so good. I see the world through my thrift store shades, rose-colored lenses and a fake gold frame. Come on.
2020 cargo van. This is the high roof extended, and it is now just an empty shell.
Soon it will be home.
Soon it we're I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just so excited. We're going to convert this into a tiny home on wheels. So yeah, here it is. We are so stinking excited. So babe, what do you think?
Love it. Can't wait to get to work.
I know. All right. Pretty cool.
So a little tour of what we're going to be doing. This is going to be our bedroom slash dining room. We'll have countertops with a sink, and then right here we'll have a shower.
And yes, I know what you're thinking. We are going to have a toilet in our bathroom. I know, really, really cool. We're wanting this to kind of be a little bit luxury because we don't want to worry about trying to find a place to go to the bathroom. So we're gonna have a toilet and a shower. We're so excited for this build. Plus over here, and right here we're gonna have a huge window right by the bed. And we're also gonna have another huge window on the other side, so that way when we are in dining mode, we will still be able to see everything outside. And when we're in bed mode, we're going to be able to see everything outside, which is a must for both of us because we love like the outdoors and all that. So big windows on both sides is a huge plus, right babe?
Sure.
And then also right here we are going to have our miniature kitchen. We're gonna have everything that we need to cook our meals and everything right here. So a stovetop and all of that. So this will all be right here, right in front of the bathroom and all of that.
Now it's time to head home and start our build.
It's beautiful. Hi. Look it. I know, isn't it huge? Hey, Papa. It will be a camper. Do what? Yes. Yeah. They're gonna do everything themselves. Just in the van. They're gonna redo everything. You made your motion. Wow. I mean, I can stand up. Dad, what do you think? Do you like it?
Feels like everything is going our way. I think we made it. After all the waiting, it feels like everything is going our way.
Yes.
Inside already?
Yep.
All of it.
I was looking at you. I was trying to figure it out. Alright guys, so this is our new van. So we are going to be converting this out into a tiny home for the next couple of months. So if you want to see us transition this giant beast into a tiny home, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any future van build videos. And I think that's pretty much it, right? So let us know what you think, and we're so excited to be taking on this huge task. But we hope you will follow us along on our van build, and I feel like I'm just repeating myself. So we're gonna go ahead and go, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Good?
Nailed it. Well, that make it look slick. That's okay. Well, he's not yet.
I don't know how to unlock it. I don't know how to unlock it.
Unlock what?
The back door. Crap, what am I saying?
I think we